Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Finn has turned on the new Google News sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your distraction underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. And also, please make sure your volume is in their 70% of max position.
I think I'm too pregnant to fly.
We remind you that Google now has 3 new search features that will make it easier for users to book their next plane ticket, research hotels, and to discover things to do while on vacation. Discovering fun new things to do is strictly prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Google has begun tampering with disabling the travel SERPs as follows. The biggest announcement, a price guarantee badge for flights. If you see a flight with the price guarantee badge, it means Google believes that the price you see today won't get any lower. If you book with Google, the company will watch the price, and if it drops, you will get the difference back. We've seen this work without a single flaw on the LSAs with the Google guarantee. Nothing has ever gone wrong there. You can already see whether current prices are low, typical, or high compared to historical averages. But with this feature, you can now guarantee that price. Thoughts and prayers if you see a lower price and have to contact Google for the difference. Next for you here today, Google has a new way for users to browse and discover hotels on mobile. When you think about booking hotels, a word comes immediately to mind. No, it's not easy selection, it's stories. If you search for something like Soho London hotels and tap to view more, you'll find a new option to explore each property in a swipeable story format.
What?
Lastly, for today,
Whose idea was that?
It is Google's pleasure to help you find things to do once we've arrived at our final destination. You can now use search or maps to look for attractions where prices will show directly on listings, along with a link to book a ticket. Additional suggestions will show up for terms, just to really with the hard-working businesses that earned that search engine ranking or worked really hard on their Google business profile. For example, if you search for the Empire State Building, you will see suggestions related for experiences like a citywide tour. If you have any questions about this news today, please don't hesitate to ask the community over on Discord at community.marketing.clock. Thank you for flying Airfin.
That was really great.
thanks. Who wants a story hotel?
Nobody does. And very good point with the price comparison. Are you kidding? Mm-hmm. Who are you going to call?
Imagine you get on there and it's like Google ad support. And you're like, the price changed. It's much lower now. Imagine trying to get that money back.